solution. Solution is defined as a what? As an homogeneous mixture of what? Of two or more what? Phase or two or more substance. And when you say mixture, what are mixture? Mixture are substance that have been separated through physical means. Is that the key? And also a solution is a combination of what? Of a solute and a what? And a solvent.
Hey Jimmy, what are you doing dressed like this?
Ha ha! Today I am a magician and I will show you some magic tricks. Look at this water. I am going to perform my magic. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. Now this is magical water. It will vanish anything that I mix in it. See what happens when I add salt to it. The salt vanished.
Meaning they added salt to water. The salt plus water changes to what? To salt solution. The salt there is the solute, while the water there is the what? Is the solvent. So when a solute combined with a solvent, it gives you what? A solution. And take note that a solute can dissolve in a what? In a solvent. Take note of that.
Now vanish this.
Can a rubber dissolve in water? No.
Can I tell you something? The salt has not vanished. It only got dissolved in water. When salt is mixed in water, its particles separate and go in between the particles of water.
See? The same happens when I mix sugar in water. It dissolves.
Also, when you mix sugar and water together, the sugar will dissolve in what? In water. Meaning solute dissolve in a what? In a solvent.
All right. When the sugar has dissolved into the water, it forms a sugar solution. See?
And take note also, there are two types of solution. We have the saturated and what? And the unsaturated. When you say something to be saturated, meaning it is what? It totally dissolves. Why unsaturated? It's simply a substance that is partially dissolved in what? In water. And the what we call super saturated. When you say something to be super saturated, it means that what? It dissolves entirely in what? In water. Example is your what? Your salt and what? And water. Your salt, when dissolved in water, is an example of what? Of super saturated what? Solution.
We take water. It is a solvent.
So the medium in
So meaning I'm trying to tell you that in addition, there are three types of solution, not two types of what? Solution. Take note.
which another thing is mixed is called a solvent.
Yes, you are right. Look at this green powder. It is the solute. The solute is added to the solvent.
Then we mix it.
Yes, you made a solution. In our sugar solution, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent.
I repeat, sugar is the what? Is the solute. Why sugar is the solute? I don't know. Why water is the what? The solvent. We make a what? A new solution.
So, a solution is a mixture of solvent and solute.
Absolutely right,
Remember that I've said this earlier on before.
Jimmy. You are a genius boy. Now let's try making another solution.
This time I will try sand in water. Okay, let's try again. Why is this not making a solution?
Because not all solutes will mix with the solvent.
Now, it means that not all solute will mix the water with the solvent. Like this now, this is an unsaturated water solution.
When I make sandcastles on the beach, the wave comes and the sand from my castle mixes with it.
Yes, Jimmy, but that does not mean sand dissolves in water. The waves just wash it away. Solutes can be different. Some are water loving. They will mix in water very fast. But there are others who do not like water. They are water fearing. If the solute is water loving and it dissolves, then it is soluble.
Like salt and sugar.
But if the solute is water fearing and does not dissolve, then it is insoluble, like we just saw sand. Last time when we
Please take note that mixed solution are what are homogeneous. Now earlier on I said solution is the mixture of what two or more two substances. Is that the case? Now what is a mixture? I said earlier that mixture is a substance that is physically separated, combination of two substances that are physically combined. Example, sand and water is a mixture, salt and water is a mixture, sugar and water is also a mixture.
we were playing on the beach, I forgot to finish my lemonade. Do you remember what happened?
What? Someone drank it?
Oh, no one drank it. The water evaporated and only sugar was left in the glass.
I know what this means. We can separate the solute and the solvent from the solution.
Absolutely right.
I am going to make this sugar solution sweeter. See, I am mixing it and the sugar dissolves. If I mix some more, it dissolves again.
Mixing helps in making a solution. Let's think of some more ways that may help in dissolving the solute.
I told the first one, mixing.
When I want to have more lemonade, I need to add more water as well as sugar and lemon juice. So I think the next factor is quantity of solvent.
Mom heats my milk before mixing sugar in it.
Meaning things that help solute to dissolve is one, the mixing, to the quality of solvent.
I think sugar dissolves very fast like that. So the next is heating.
Next one is heating.
Do you remember Aunt Polly who makes those yummy jams and jellies? She keeps her solution for hours and hours
And the last one is time. So there are 4 things that help solute to dissolve. 1, mixture, the quantity of the solvent, time and heating.
keeps adding more sugar till the jam is ready. I am sure time also helps.
Let's find out more things which are water loving and water fearing.
Sure, come, let's try.
I will pick the soluble.
And I will find the insolubles.
Sugar is soluble.
Sand is insoluble.
Salt, soluble.
White pepper is insoluble.
Milk powder, soluble.
Nuts and screws, insoluble.
Coffee powder, soluble.
Oil, insoluble. It will float in water.
Soil, soluble.
Paper, insoluble.
Wow.
That was so much fun.
Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.